Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we have an amazing cocktail that I am psyched up to mix today. It has a little bit of a difficulty factor to it, but when we get through the whole thing, you're going to see it is completely phenomenal. Cocktail is called the Sage Bees. Before we get started though, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a single episode of the show. Also, please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this particular cocktail and if you have any advice for the show or if you have any future cocktails you'd want to see mixed here at SLB. All right, I'm psyched up about this. Let's get into this cocktail, the Sage Bees. The first thing I want to do is put in a couple of dashes of grapefruit bitters. Just a couple dashes of grapefruit bitters. 3/4 ounce of honey syrup. Now this particular honey syrup I made up is a 3-to-1 ratio. Once we put that in, we're going to pour in 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. 3/4 ounce. Now, I want to stop there because I have 3 or 4 fresh sage leaves. We're going to put that right in the tin. We're going to get our muddler out and we're going to give them a nice gentle muddle. Now, we don't want to destroy the sage leaves on the bottom of this tin. You don't want to do that. You just kind of want to give them a gentle press, and that way it'll release the oils and release that flavor from the sage leaves. All right, that'll be good. All right, once we've done that, I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of gin. Today I'm using Nolets. Feel free to use the gin of your choice. Again, 1.5 ounces. As you can see, I have an egg here. Yep, we're going to do it. If I can get it right here, got a little bit on the outside. We're going to put in an egg white. 1 egg white. We're going to get that beautiful, rich, frothy foam on top of the cocktail. That wasn't too bad. All right. Now, if you remember in past videos, since we do have the egg white, we need to dry shake that. A nice vigorous dry shake to emulsify the egg white with the rest of the ingredients in the cocktail. So we'll give it a quick dry shake. All right, that should do it. I'm going to get some ice in the tin. We're going to give a good shake. All right, that should do it. The tin's nice and frosty, nice and cold. Got a cocktail coupe ready to go. I did forget my strainer, because we definitely want to give this a double strain. Got a lot of stuff going on inside that tin. Okay, that was a nice pour. Well, that blows. What I want to do now is I have a small single sage leaf I'm going to put as a garnish right on top, centered as much as possible. Now, you ready for this? Fresh cracked pepper. Woo! That's awesome. I like me some pepper. May want to tone it down a little bit if you're doing your own, but I like me some pepper, if you know what I'm saying. And there you have it. That's the finished product of the sage bees. Man, that is 100% delightful. A lot of excellent flavors going on in there. Of course, the honey syrup tones everything down. It's a nice little mellow flavor. Lime juice, of course. The gin, of course. You got the frothiness on top of the cocktail from that egg white. I get some of the cracked pepper when you take a bite of it. And of course, you get the sage coming through as well. That, my friends, is bloody fantastic. Thank you for watching today. We certainly appreciate it. You can find us on Facebook, SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also catch us on Instagram. That's at SLB Drinks. Whatever you do, though, please drink responsibly. See ya.